Dear students, welcome to our first tutorial class. Today we are going to learn about the adjective. So, to start with, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. That is to say that we are going to have additional information about the other word. There are different categories of adjectives, and we are going to see which category each adjective belongs according to the place this adjective occupies in a sentence. For example, if it goes before the noun, we call it an attributive adjective. If it goes after the noun, completing a linking verb, it is called a predicative adjective. And if it goes immediately after the noun, it is called a postpositive adjective. Let's pay a look at some examples. If we say, it is a comfortable ride, comfortable comes before the noun, right? So it is an attributive adjective. But if we see the example, the ride is comfortable, comfortable is completing the linking verb and comes after the noun. So it is a predicative adjective. And if we see the example, I made the bed comfortable, we see that comfortable comes right after the noun. So it is a postpositive adjective. If an adjective or a series of adjectives follows a noun and is set off by commas or dashes, then we call it a positive adjective. Okay, take a look at this. Derek was a big boy, tall, strong, and broad-shouldered. So these are positive adjectives, all of them. Yes, they are between commas, and this one has a dash in the middle. Within descriptive adjectives, we are going to find qualifying adjectives and classifying adjectives. Qualifying adjectives express the qualities of a noun, for example, big, nice, or complicated. But classifying adjectives express permanent qualities, for example, married, second, unique. You might be married or not, but you can't be quite married, okay? Qualifying adjectives are gradable. That means that we can graduate their intensity by the addition of an adverb, yes, such as very, quite, or enough. Most qualifying adjectives can also be put into comparative or superlative forms, which we are going to see later on. If we talk about comparatives, the first thing we have to bear in mind or remember is that we are comparing two different things, A and B, okay? So we can say, for example, my bike is faster than yours, or this book is more or less interesting than that book, yes? So we have to bear in mind also the different syllables that the adjective has. And for example, if it has only one syllable or some adjectives of two syllables, we just add ER to the base to form the comparative, yes? But in most adjectives of two or more syllables, the comparative is identified by the word more or less, yes, as in the second example. The first one is with ER, and the second one with more or less, and then the adjective. When we talk about superlatives, what we have to bear in mind, again, is that we are comparing one thing but among a lot of other things, yes? So, for example, if we say, my bike is the fastest, I'm comparing my bike with a lot of other bikes, yes? I'm not comparing only two, I'm comparing one among others, okay? Again, we have to bear in mind if this adjective has one syllable, two, or more. If it has one or sometimes two syllables, we have the suffix est. But if it has sometimes two or more syllables, we have to add most or least and then leave the adjective, okay? So far we have learned about qualifying adjectives, but pay a look at classifying adjectives. They are also called absolute or ungradable. This means that they cannot be intensified or compared, okay? So a person is either married or not, dead or not. There is no grade between that, okay? You cannot be quite married, quite dead, okay? You are dead or you are not. Many adjectives can be used either qualifying or classifying depending on the context. So, pay a look at this example. My car is very old. If I say very old, I'm qualifying car, yes? So I can grade this adjective with very. But if I say the old computer was much more quieter than the new model, I'm classifying because I'm comparing the former model and the new model, okay? If If we talk about compound adjectives, we talk about two different words or more sometimes that make up a single idea in order to modify a noun. If they are before the noun, they should be hyphenated, as in the first example, she is a well-known singer. But if they come after the noun, they shouldn't be hyphenated. Take a look at the second example. This singer is well-known. Same adjective, hyphen in the first one, no hyphen in the second one. If we have more than one adjective, we have to follow an order, yes? And it goes like this. First articles, quantity, opinion or observation, size, age, shape, length or appearance, color, origin, ethnicity, religion, material, and last but not least, purpose or noun used as an adjective. Yes, take a look at this. Quantity, quality, the same as before. And this might be useful for you. When I was studying to be a teacher, my teacher told me that there was an acronym OSASCOM, yes, for you to remember how to order the different adjectives. Let's see the example. That is a nice opinion, yes? Little, size, old, age, white, color, brick, material, house. My boyfriend gave me 4 number, gorgeous, opinion, long-stemmed, shaped, red, color, roses. I have always wanted an expensive, quality, Italian, proper adjective, sports, qualifier, car. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the class. And please take a look at the exercises you have for this week. Have a great week and thank you for being there. Bye bye.